Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk with you about is and how to make sentence using is. But first, let's roll the intro. Okay, hey, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Foydali, and I'm really happy to see you here. I'm here to help you with your English grammar. So, as you know, today's topic is about to be form is. So, is just another form of to be, like a am and are, but we use is with he, she, and it. But first, a question. What are these? Like a he, she, it. These are subject pronouns. We use he when we talk about boys and the man. We use she when we talk about girls and the ladies. And we use it when we talk about an object, a situation, or maybe about an animal. So, when we are giving information about them, we use is. So, when we know what are they, let's talk about a sentence forms. So, first one is a positive sentences. So, we make positive sentence like this. For example, about he. He is Paul. So, Paul is a boy. So I'm giving information about that boy. So Paul is a name. He is Paul. Or she is American. It is a pen. So these all are positive sentences. Okay. How about negative one? We make negative sentences using not. For example, he is not Tim because he is Paul. So he is not, with this not we are making negative sentence. He is not Tim. Then she is not Russian, or it is not a pencil. And now let's talk about a question forms. So to make a question, we put is before he, she, and it. So it's gonna be, is he Paul? Is she American? Is it a pen? So these are sentence forms. And now let's talk about short forms. So as we know from the previous videos, when we talk about I, we said like I am Tala or I'm Tala. Is also similar to them. So, for example, instead of saying he is Paul, you may also say he's Tom. She's American. It's a pen. So he, she, it, apostrophe s. Okay, now, how about short forms in negative sentences? To talk about them, let's look at these examples, like he is not Tim, he's not Tim, or he isn't Tim. So, in all these examples, we are giving negative sentences. And as you can see, negative sentences can be done differently. So, how about she? It's the same, like she is not American, or she's not American, or she isn't American. So, all these examples are the same. They don't have any kind of differences. So we can make negative sentences differently. About it, for example, you may say it is not a pen, or it's not a pen, or it isn't a pen. So they don't have any kind of differences. Alright, now so far with you we have talked about sentence structure and short forms. Now let's move on to the short answers. So to give short answers, let's have one question. For example, your friend is asking from you, like, is he Paul? Then you may say, yes, he is. It's affirmative short answer. So you are saying, yes, he is. Or, is she American? Yes, she is. Or, is it a pen? Yes, it is. Or these all are positive answers. So you are saying yes, comma, subject pronoun, and then is. Okay, how about negative short answers? To make negative short answers, you can say, for example, is he Tim? No, he isn't. Or you may say, no, he's not. Or about she, is she American? No, she isn't. Or no, she's not. You may say in both ways. Or about it, you may say, is it a pen? You may say, no, it isn't. Or no, it is not. So in negative forms, you can use short forms with to be. But in a positive forms, you cannot say yes, he's, or yes, she's, yes, it's. You cannot say so. Alright, so far in this video, we talked with you about is, about he, she, it, and then about the sentence structures and short forms with short answers. Alright, with this one, we're gonna end our video here, and also don't forget to check out the links down below where you can find free PDF worksheets where you can practice all these grammar. Alright, thank you everyone, and see you in the next video.